Good morning, you guys. Today is bid day. I'm so excited to run home. I have been a recruitment counselor, or we call it Rogue Gamma, at my school for the past 4 days, helping PNMs, potential new members, find their home. And I am so excited to get to run to my sorority house, which I will not be sharing what it is until the end of this video. So stay tuned, and today is going to be a wild ride. Let's go. Kesley!
Yeah, I'm right here. Sorry. I look so bad.
Say hi to the vlog!
No!
Here you can see yourself.
Where's... Whoa! I got bags in the coat. Touch me, I'll shake it back. Shake a little rag. I hate myself. Oh my... I like it.
Why we thought this was a good
No, I kind of like the spread out look. I don't know.
Put it on her chest.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, hello, I'm back and I'm en route to my university union for bid day. I've said bid day like 100 times this video, but like if you can tell, I'm just really excited. And I'm excited to go get all my little PNMs and see what house they end up in. And if you can tell, I'm kind of trying to hide it, but I have butterflies all up and down my body and my face. I am not gonna tell you what my theme is yet, but that's kind of like a little sneak peek to the reveal of the theme of my sorority house. So yeah, let's go to the union.
Wait, I need to bring my wing around.
Everyone say hi.
Oh, I thought you were asking to pick something. No, we need a picture.
Friends, say hi to my vlog.
Oh my god, you do vlogs?
Do it, do it.
Wait, can I be in it?
Yeah. Yay, move. You can see yourself. Hi. Oh. I'm here with PNMs. It's bid day.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Brooke. We're here at bid day. Let's go, baby.
Also, ladies, when PNMs get here.
Hey, first up, where are my kappas? Hi,
about to open the bids. What's happening next?
Give me one word to describe how you're feeling. One word.
I'm feeling absolutely incredible. Thank you.
One word. How do you feel? Awesome. One word.
Hell yeah. Happy.
Let's go.
Stoked.
One word. How do you feel today, lady?
We wow.
Sissy, how do you feel?
I feel wild, baby.
Oh.
birthday! Woo!
I've always wanted to be on a YouTube channel.
Kelsey, what?
I'm her biggest fan.